May itatry akong kanta. Sana mapatawad talaga ako ni Ma'am Divina. Oo. Kaya inaral ko to. Actually, pinakinggan ko siya habang naliligo ako. Yan, babawi ako, Ma'am Divina. Ito pa lang po yung napapakinggan ko. Binugbog ko siya sa tenga ko today. Love you, Ma'am! Sige, try natin to. Somebody walked into my life and is right on time. Somebody looked into my eyes and he read my mind. And it's true. I only need to tell you that it's you. Ah, you're everything I ever dreamed will come to me. Somebody walked into my heart, and to my surprise, somebody's tearing me apart, and it feels just fine. And it's you. I've waited oh so long to say it's you. You're everything I ever dreamed. Good afternoon po. But I give it to the feelings. Warm up lang. Tonight I give it to the dream. Loving you. Tonight I give it to believe it. I say you'd always say somebody turned my life around, and I'm not the same. Suddenly I don't hear a sound, only your name, and I really need you. Tonight I give it to the feelings. Yes, tonight I give it to the dream of loving you. Tonight I give it to believe it. We'll always stay in love this way. Oh, tonight I give it to the feelings. Yes, tonight I give it to them all. Sorry, tonight I give it to believe it. You're everything I ever dreamed would come to me. To me. O, diba? Nabuka ang ano? Ang vocal cords natin. First song, Angela Bofill. Thank you, Ma'am Divina. Ayan, na-expose po ako kay Angela kasi po sa ano, hindi ko po siya napapakinggan dati. Mga Celine Dion, mga ganyan, mga Whitney. And itong song na to, kanina ko lang siya pinakinggan. Nairaos ko siya. Sana nairaos natin siya. Maayong gabi, buntag ba ang hapon? Maayong buntag sa inyong tanan. Ayan, sa lahat ng mga viewers natin, good afternoon. Welcome po sa inyong lahat. And welcome sa aming stream. Paano yung awit ni Jeannie?